Thirikari ni Yugete ni gukorwo ikihuthira njira cia kiriu cia ukinyaniria niguo kunina uiici wa indo cia muingi kuri aruti a wira a muingi aria no nginyagia mahakwo niguo marute wira. O ni kuringana na minister wa ukinyaniria Eliud Owalo uria ugite ati makoretwo makiheo mahaki niguo gutungatira muingi.
Want unnecessary bottlenecks between Kenyans and the government, where certain officers still ask for bribes to provide services. Government transactions will be between you, your phone, and the government itself, without brokers hapa katikati.
Owalo ari thukuru-ini wa mafundithio ma kothi cia moko Bondo na thukuru wa sekondari wa Gobei uria wi gicigo mbunge kia Bondo augite ati ikinya ria thirikari ria guthamiria utungata wao nenda-ini ni njira imwe ya kunina ungumania.
Maneno ya kuitisha hongo kwa wananchi, hiyo tutazika katika kaburi la sahau tukisonga mbele. Tumeelewana hapo? Yeah, that is the frontier that we are pursuing. We are aware also as government that we still have the problem of smart enabled telephones. Most Kenyans still don't have access to smart enabled telephones.
Oho Owalo ni ongereire na kuga ati gukinyiria riu motungata 16,972 mage thirikari riu me ng'enda-ini gukiringithanio na motungata 350 kuma riria thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza yoire wathani.
Understand that in the not too distant future, Kenyans will not have to physically visit government offices to consume government services. We are digitalizing all government services. When we came into government, only 350 services were available on the eCitizen platform. Today, as we speak, we have got a whopping 16,972 services which are now available virtually. And you can transact business with government from the comfort of wherever you are.
Owalo augite ati wendi wa thirikari ni kuhingura sesheni 1,450 guothe bururi-ini akiuga hau kere matanyite o mathukuru ma kothi cia moko. Mubunge wa Bondo Gideon Ochanda ni agathiririe muoroto wa thirikari wa kurehe motungata maguo nyenda-ini guku akiruta ofisi yake iria i Bondo taoni kuhuthika ta sesheni ya ukinyaniria.
For slightly over 30 years ago. Back then, jobs were looking for us.
Ngiribotera Muingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kamau Akahonoki.